Welcome back to another video, y'all. Y'all see what it is. These niggas at work today. But y'all see what it is, y'all. Check out the new build. GS400 4.0 liter V8. You know what I'm saying? Today we about to get under this smoke. Oh, we gotta get under this smoke. I just bought this motherfucker like 2 days ago. This motherfucker. Body clean, everything. No lights, nothing at all. Y'all know what we about to do with this? About to weld that diff. You see it, man? We about to get under this motherfucker. About to weld this diff sideways. Y'all see it? We draining the diff right now.
On full NAM doors.
Bro, we gonna tell him we gonna see him at the playground later.
He washed up.
We going to Billy's
Lexus
playground.
King.
Let's go. We gotta go to the parts store real quick, grab some stuff, you know. We need this. Someone lost this. It's like an H12, I think. We on both of the drive shaft that's connected to the diff. These all around. I think it's 3 of them. Draining it. That we got the axle bolts out. All that. We gonna catch it when we get back. I'm finna head to the store. What's going on? I need tools. They don't got the singles. I see right now we got the diff fully out of the car. I'm about to go ahead and take this pan off right here. Y'all see it, man. The GS400 diff is getting welded. Here's a lighter. This motherfucker finna be in play. Action. That niggas ain't even ready. Yeah, I see it. It's not really hard to do. Y'all seen before clips. Look at this V though. Sexy. That man thing over here. Ooh! Just the open diff. You got a weld plate right there. You don't got a weld right there. Ooh.
Tell him what we about to weld, bro.
I already told him, bro.
Oh, shit.
It's hot though.
Ah!
Still burning.
Fuck you, bitch. You told me it was hot.
Tell them then what we're doing before you start welding.
We're welding.
You got the diff back from being welded. That shit hot, but yeah, I'm about to put some gasket maker. Put some gasket maker, put the fluid in, put it up and then put the fluid in. I'm gonna time lapse it, but I gotta put some gasket on there first. Just put the diff cover back on with the Honda bond. I put Honda bond instead of gasket maker, so that's what we have laying around. That's the seal. About to be ready to go back up in this motherfucker. I haven't really been under this car lately, or this is my first time actually at all. Other than taking it to the muffler shop. So you'll see no cats, one little muffler, all the way straight bike, single exit. I don't know, I wanted the duals, but it'd be alright, just whatever. About to put the diff back up. I'm about to get a time lapse of it, so alright. I just finished up doing this shit. I went to clean my hands. Everything's all up in there. I can't grab my phone. My hands are too dirty, but put the axle back in, tightened everything. I tightened everything. Tightened those, the axle bolts, drain plug. I put the fluid in, drive shaft. Put the little sway bar links back in. Exhaust back up on the hangers. Now it's time to drop this motherfucker and take it on a test drive. You ain't a real nigga, you ain't putting no fries in your burger.
How you know which one's Dr. Pepper?
coconut pepper. Dark one's black pepper. Try that one.
You ready?